Hey, this is Roy from Cloud9 Classics here in Alpharetta, Georgia, inside the showroom checking out yet another spectacular early Bronco classic. This is the final year, the 77 final year of the first series Broncos, and this one is outstanding. This one received a frame-off restoration by Nick's Tricks in North Carolina. I believe the restoration was done about 8 or 9 years ago, and it is still immaculate. Pretty special Bronco in that it's believed to have just 41,000 original miles. At the time that Nick's Tricks did the restoration, they reported the original mileage was 38,000 miles. I've got a picture of the Bronco before the restoration, and as you'll see, it's a Ranger package Bronco. It was originally an uncut Ranger package with all the stripes and trim, and it was built to a guy's taste. Lifted, fender flares, nothing wrong with it. Absolutely gorgeous. The color was slightly changed. It was a midnight blue metallic, and as you can see, it is now an even darker midnight blue, and it is gorgeous. Paint and body quality are top notch. All PPG products. This body was stripped before it was sanded down, prepped, painted, base coat, clear coat, and the body is super straight. Hopefully you can see some of the reflection here in the video. Grill has been done up in the silver with the red Ford letters. New bumpers, front and rear. At the time of restoration, they did a nice 2.5-inch Wild Horses suspension lift. Shocks, coils changed out. They got Bilstein shocks on here for a great ride. But check out how gorgeous this paint and body is. Do have the original window sticker, so great original documentation with this Bronco as well, which is always cool to have. You'll see it in some of the pictures. Now, one thing that was changed also at the restoration was this is originally an automatic 77 Bronco, and it was changed to a 3-speed manual on the floor with a James Duff shifter, and it runs out fantastic. So if you like a 3-speed manual, this is perfect. Great running truck, hits the road beautifully, power steering, power front disc brakes. One hand on the steering wheel, you can cruise at 70 miles an hour in this baby, no problem. You can see the hardtop is also in gorgeous condition, was refinished in the Wimbledon white color as well. Matching spare tire and wheel. Really the only flaw that I really noticed along the body, and it's not even the body but the glass itself, the windshield has got just a couple of rock pecks that are out of driver's sight. There's one there in the middle and one here on the passenger side. Not worth changing out the windshield, I don't think, at this point, as it does not obstruct your view and is really pretty much unnoticeable. Just want to point that out. Again, this was a Ranger package Bronco, came with the matching blue houndstooth interior, and it looks fantastic. I believe it's got the original door panels, amazing condition. Seats themselves are fantastic. That's a piece of dust on that one. Original type steering wheel, roll bar, hardtop. Headliner is in the hardtop, looks great. Matching rear seat, original. Rear interior panels, speakers for the aftermarket Bluetooth stereo. There's your Bluetooth microphone up there at your visors on your wiper cover. Current mileage is about 41,260. I put a few miles on it and it drives fantastic. Now here's another upgrade that I didn't mention. Vintage air conditioning. You gotta love getting ice cold AC in one of these Broncos, and they did it right. They sliced the dash a little bit for the vents to give it a really nice, clean, original type look, so they didn't have to mount a unit underneath the dash. That's a really nice touch. I'll fire up, let you hear it start up and running. Nice sound from the dual exhaust. Nothing obnoxious, but nice little tone. Fires right up. James Duff shifter, original 4-wheel drive shifter. Let you hear it running. also has a trailer hitch that was installed. Don't know that it was ever used, but if you choose to haul anything, you've got the hitch ready to go. Undercarriage, rock solid undercarriage. Floor pans are just about like new. It was undercoated very lightly. It was undercoated inside and out, and there was also sound deadener underneath the custom blue carpeting. So it's a really nice, quiet truck to drive in. Let you hear it running. There you go. If you've been looking for an early Bronco, you know the values on these. You know they're continuing to climb, and high quality rigs like this are what you want to invest in. Look at the body panel fit here on your doors is awesome. It's always a common trouble spot. Really hard to pick this one apart. I think the next owner is going to be extremely pleased. And again, this is one you can get in, drive, and enjoy. If you have any questions, give me a call, 770-359-8400. Thanks a lot. Good luck.